Yeah, massive, you don't know. We just do the first stop out here in a Euro circle. That they tell us as I can say, we say, bunch over this and the pot of bubble and be a crab and sin. The main purpose and the goal why me there is because, you know, Lexi love our crab. And I say, alright then, me I go make sure so we get some crab. See there, watch Bunchy. Hold them Bunchy. We soon go over the massive. But differently, you don't know me have a bridge in that Jamaica here. You know what I mean? That before me even start the video, but I introduce a general here. His name Herby. Look good man, easy Herby in that place. Herby, for all who don't know you, tell them who you is right now.
I'm right here at the crab circle here in Kingston, Jamaica. It's going down. I have tasted this before, but I can't get enough of it. And now I'm here with my brother Jamaica Walk By. Let's make it happen, brother.
So massive, listen, me I ask you, right now Herby is on his way to one whole heap of subscriber. You understand? Because if they are Jamaica, the content country, the art of Jamaica. But massive, I didn't realize, I say, Mantal, man. Look at Mantal. It's a big man in the brother. You don't play basketball?
I did in high school.
Did?
Yes.
So we can stop?
I was pretty good.
So why you stop?
Well, it was high school, but I didn't go to college.
So. You should just go pro, man. That big height like that, man. You're there so rich.
Good. I was not that
good. Alright, big up Herby. So we are going over Munchie, big up Munchie every time. You know, man, this is beautiful Jamaica.
Absolutely.
You understand? No joke, no doubt. Munchie! That is it. We have to move it. We have to move it from this and put it right now, sir. So Munchie give me warning, say I have to move it. The machine from this and put it right now. Say look like the police them are going bad. So I go make sure I go move it and thing and get it runner. So we get back right in the video. We soon come. Alright, yeah, so we have to move the car a while ago because for some reason, usually it was fine. You know, you could have like park right over this up on the roadside and just buy a crab, but you don't know. They must say we are block up the road nowadays. So we have to do the right thing because we have to adhere to the rule, you see me? So we should park here over there. So and we're there. Euro Circle, Jamaica, beautiful. That place is up and running nicely. You don't know. Big up to me, big mama over there. So big over settings, you know what I mean? We have all that sweet come to my Euro Circle. And I'm telling that one Munchie. You don't know something always a hype up Munchie, that's true. Yeah, because guess what? We have to drive from Clarendon because we are Euro Circle come by Munchie crab because I eat alone Lexi one. So what am I going to do? You understand? They say, happy wife?
Happy life.
That is it, you understand? So we are here in Euro Circle, Kingston, and if you want some of the best crab them in a Jamaica, in a the world, you have to follow Kingston and Euro Circle. I'm going to end us and blast. You have to check that lady there. Her name is Munchie. Very beautiful dolly out here in Euro Circle. You can't miss her. Once you follow, you can't miss her. So let's go find out what kind of crab Munchie have and thing, so we can see what going on. And as I say, we're there with Herby. You understand? No joke, massive. Very good YouTuber, mad thing. He's a Haitian, so we are brother.
Haitian, man, brother.
Yeah, we are brother.
Absolutely.
You understand? Don't make it look a Yankee talking catcher, because if I'm ready, I can change it up too. You know, we're here in Jamaica, and we're having a vibe, we're chilling. Absolutely. Yeah, because in New York, I'm going to chill now. So, we just go and have a vibe freestyle a little bit, and show him around some of the places them in Jamaica where him not really forward yet, and some of the things them when not really try. See? Let's do this, you ready?
I'm ready, I'm ready. I've been ready.
That is it, make us see what going on. Munchie, what going on? Everything good? Why what they are Munchie here tall, like a she then at the castle. We throw down her ear. We drop Miss Charles, Mr. Charles, and then she just cut you off. Oh, Mr. Charles not going good?
Yeah, man, go on.
Him going good?
Sometimes you have to
Let's change up a look. Oh my.
Okay.
So you take two of them?
Well,
one for you and one for me?
I'm greedy.
Early, is a big. Watch it now, yes.
You got 4.
Alright, so massive. You call this a crab foot. Hey, come in, Alex, man. And take a foot, well, a 1 foot. Alright, I don't know.
If you're not into spice and pepper, that's probably not for you. It's very spicy.
Yeah, very
really
spicy.
good. Really good.
And I can taste the seasoning now, a lot of seasoning. I taste like cinnamon, I taste scallion, the pepper, all of them things. And then I know, I taste some other stuff and I can't make up, but that clearly be Munchie secret recipe. You see everybody I look? Nah, tell nobody else. No.
It's a secret ingredient.
She said KFC, not you. You're right.
Now this is not the type of stuff you eat because you're hungry. This is more like a taste bud type of thing because it's so good, right?
Yeah.
Look, you see how big I am?
Yeah.
I eat a lot.
You're not going to eat a lot of crab.
A lot of crabs?
Yeah, because if you eat the crab the right way, you know, full your belly, you know.
Yeah.
Because say them call them so them big. A whole heap of meat. I mean, some man now they call it the fat and thing in the back doodoo. But
Okay.
I don't doodoo. I like the hog and them and them thing there. You have a look at doodoo bag still where dash out that. I be eat out everything out of the crab and thing.
Okay.
Yeah, man. All the
Oh, let's see. They got some big ones here, I can see.
Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So, I could try some crab and thing. I'm gonna get some crab. Munchie have corn? I have corn. Alright, so even corn we have here with a coconut. That is it, man. How you mean, man? So, we're there in a Kingston Crab Circle with Herby. Massive, if you're not yet subscribed to Herby channel, please I'm asking you to go over to Herby channel. The link will be in the description below. Subscribe to his channel. Zin? No joke, no doubt. A man thing, man. Let's do this. So, but actually there with my G's in. This is Bransdon Fashion. This is Bransdon Fashion. Yeah. And don't know. Well, I'm mommy, alright, you see what I go on. And the bro saying get out of my flesh out of foot a while ago. I never know say. I saw munchy crab. See here munchy now? Oh, at first I eat munchy crab, man. Yeah, man. Wait say, out of 10, how much?
I give that 10, man.
10, no.
Crab
Solid.
Crab bad, man.
Figure that. Yeah, man. Yeah, so all of a sudden you don't know where there is like everywhere I go the look just reach. Be a vehicle start pull up, be a things are going so I just make munchy go and sell and I go chat with my brethren a little bit. You don't know Herby is here, it's a massive hero circle, beautiful. When I was a complaint about the restroom now, beautiful restroom is here and everything. So whole heap of water, be a thing, so you should just come on out and just get on a crab and corn and soup and everything down here. Ample parking too, so not to worry, see? Alright, see Munchie here. So, alright, Munchie, so I play school on a little bit because I realize this with me. Anywhere I'm going on, all of a sudden, people then just start sell. Business just start turn up. Sometimes I mix start get X out of picture. Like me, I say, I'm the center of attraction and all. And everybody, everywhere I go turn up, people just start sell. And them the thing they bring, you know. God no good?
All the time.
All the time and all the time? God is good. That is it, man. That's how I need to get left. But you know what? God now go make me get left, you know. Because God is good.
All the time.
All the time. And those how you make you remember me?
Yeah.
Are you secure? Are you give me? Are me good? Are me great? I me not get left. So that now gonna work for me. So massive, we are here. So this is it's in the evening right now. So munchy crab them are boiled down. Usually in the morning you'd see all of this deck out with crab. Should I probably have some couple live one around this I run up and down. But so far this is what crab in Jamaica. And these are land crabs. You understand? So, how them do it in Jamaica, you know them probably have them for a little while, purge them out. Want to give them fruits to eat and them thing there, what? And vegetable. So that now pure them out and, you know what I mean, make them ready and them taste even more fresher than what you would expect from somebody else to get it. And them crab, look, you see how them beard? You see how them clean and pretty? So you know, so you have to sit down and you hold them crab here and you brush them with a toothbrush. Make them clean and pretty. So when I see some DB crab on the road and then dirty and beard things and so you go on a hero circle, them crab are beard. You understand? Yeah, them crab are beard. So come in, Munchie. I could see if the woman one in the father. I look to you by faith. I need a woman crab to be in the pot. I need a woman crab because I know woman crab in there. Lord of mercy.
That's right in there.
Alright. So, what the price in pan crab now? One little one. I mean, I want him, you know. I want him see him here. Yeah. Let me see one look nice. What size in pan name crab with the pan name side?
15 and $2,000.
$2,000. I give me that one there. I go search it every single one and put them on 2 more extra foot. You hear that? She searching all of the foot them for the crab drop off and 2 more extra foot. And when I say 2 more, I don't mean exact 2. I mean a few more. Yeah, that is it. All right. Like I used to like how me and Munchie a very good friend. You see all the crab them will value all $1,500. She will give me one for $1,000. Because she me all a video and I promote her business and all them something there. Yeah. That's how she deal with me, good man.
He has to sign this off. Do you agree? Yes?
Yeah, man, I'm a friend. She not here. I'm not telling her. I'm not telling her, man. They say a big $1,500 one like what me.
Yeah.
Me don't know about nobody else, you know. This like what me. Me we get that one if you have 1,000 because me a video and me make you all of me fans them. No. And me. And them feel live up to them dignity. Make them be free. Much you know a client and me drive from come and say come buy crab. How much crab in that bag? How much?
The one and the woman, little woman.
No, I want more crab than that. How you want me? You want me?
Carry them away.
Yeah, you want me to sleep on my yard? Eh? How much for that one day we take up a while ago? 15. Oh, the total one day. Yeah. Munchie give me discount to them. Massive work. You understand? So all of my social media, my YouTube people are going to know. Munchie go just bust me with that one day. You understand? So, yeah. And you know, so my video Munchie first time, I think about 10,000 subscribers or less me they have.
Alright.
Yeah. And then time they just start turn up a place. Munchie no more subscribers me have now? Much that there. Call it 2 and 1 little beanie one. Put one next little beanie one in there now. Find a next little one for me.
No subscriber, yeah, man.
Me have 200,000 now. That good respect.
That means I'm supposed to get some away I get.
Yeah, that's why I give. That's why I give you now.
That's why if I pay the amount
So
of
in
money,
Jesus'
don't
name,
it.
you see if you normally done sell crab 5 o'clock, you see me post a video here, your crab them are done 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
I'm a post your bubbles now.
Yeah.
The big one done college, the little one start. So I want your money and the rest of them money.
So the big one, yeah, me remember the big one graduate and the little one go start. Jesus Christ,
So me I
the
want-
pressure is getting worse. So big up to Munchie, yeah.
I get no $1,500 crap for no $1,000 a year. And I can't owe you take. Oh.
So there you have it. This is Munchie, a very good friend of mine, love her to death. You know what I mean? So Munchie said the big one done college and then the smaller daughter start now. So you don't know, say money wicked. And you know the you take go, you have to make sure you have your millions a year enough to go pay them because you can't owe them. And if an online school you do, you have to go do it at your yard. Yes. So this is my crabs. Oh my word. Munchie, make sure say me get extra food.
And my foot in there.
Your foot in there? Oh, that is it. So this is my crab. Oh my word, Munchie crab. No joke, no doubt. My friend, what go on? You not heal me up. I'm Munchie alone, I see. Cheer hairstyle well do now. Eh? Cheer hairstyle well do up and now. You not see ugly man like me. How we are say? Eh? Tell me where you say. Let me see in our igloo. So the juice are very cold. So we have the fruit punch, we have the orange juice, we have bag juice, we have water. How much bottle of water?
$100.
Yeah, water too. Where butter for?
Butter and bread.
Oh,
bread,
so cocoa bread.
The bread, well fresh.
Cocoa
The
bread.
bread, well fresh.
Yes. And you got butter.
Yeah,
Real Garrison style. How much for bread and butter?
$150.
150. Herby, come here. So this is my friend Herby. He's from Haiti, but he's now in America. You know what I mean? He's in Jamaica. He's a YouTuber like me. So Herby, have you heard about the chiffon butter?
The chiffon butter
Yeah, with the bread.
with the bread. That is the first. Never heard of.
So she's driving this beautiful car right here. She's selling snacks and juice. And if you want this bread with some butter in it, you can get it right here.
The chiffon butter.
Yeah,
Okay.
chiffon butter with bread. Touch me now, man. Are you near style? How much is that?
$150.
150. All right, me go want a water
Is the
too.
local butter or no?
Yeah, local butter.
Local butter.
Yeah, local butter.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Big up. What's your name again?
Delia.
What?
Delia.
Delia. Big up every time, man. Anybody do you hear you say, I want you tell them, say, well done, good job. Who do you hear?
One girl.
You know remember her name?
Yeah.
What's your name? Camera shot. All right. Water in there, sweet in there. So it's one next big crab seller here from down here. Name she named Kay. Kay look like a young guy I get so. Careful enough. I look like you find a new somebody in your life. Oh, yeah. You're not getting a new somebody in your life. Oh, Lord. You want to stay the same way. You need another baby. Okay, you need another baby. Are you? Kay says she don't want to look at young boy. They come ticket. Hey. With there. No, joke, no. Herby. No, she not there today. I'll be alone and go and chill with my friend Munchie. I say, I may want water. You know bag juice?
No, I don't.
You don't know bag juice?
No. I'd love to try it though.
Hey, make sure that I record it now. Because they need to know this.
You want Jamaican
Yeah,
bag
I'll
juice?
try one.
All right, we'll make him try a bag juice. Alex, come in there. Please, my beg all I want a massive. This is Branston fashion. Me look on brother. You understand, brother from another mother?
My thing,
The fashionist. No joke. See, alright, look. Can you demonstrate how you drink the bag
And I
juice?
care this a munch.
Munchie. Munchie, demonstrate how you drink. Go on, man.
Them not know about juice drink.
Drink the bag juice, man.
Hey, give me the bag juice, turn it. Give me the bag
So get it dry. So this is Herby. I'm gonna try bag juice. So,
Bag juice.
Yeah, bag juice.
Okay.
Bite it. Bite
Flavor is what?
it. Bite it.
Which one this?
The flavor.
Let me make you catch it. Yeah, see there? Fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carl's.
Let's do it.
Carl's not pay for their promotion and still in about Carl's.
This is the bag juice and you come to Jamaica after.
You hear that? You know what that means?
No.
It means that once you drink it, you're gonna be a frequent traveler coming to Jamaica.
I'm already a frequent traveler. Second time
Well, it's
here.
gonna be worse.
It's
Second
gonna be
time,
worse?
you're not traveling.
Not enough?
It never
Nah,
get a
man.
bag juice yet for drink.
Catch a bag juice, man.
The bag juice bad. More the powder them up there.
Refreshing, don't it? So you don't know whether you're with Herby. I'm gonna tell you, say Herby is a Haitian, you know what I mean? And actually living in America still, you see it? So him is a world traveler. So when they are Jamaica, I would just want to reason with Herby, you know what I mean? So how long was it to start YouTube?
How long? About I'd say almost 2 years now.
Almost
Almost 2 years. Yeah, it's. I started it not because I wanted to be a YouTuber. I took my first trip to Colombia,
Yeah.
and I wanted to travel. I turned 40. When I turned 40, I just wanted to travel more because I realized that I haven't been traveling.
Yes, sir. When you turn 40, you pass 40, that's how you say
I'm 42.
You're 42.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
I look young.
Yeah, you know.
Well, that's a
like,
good thing. That's a good thing. 42.
That is it, man.
Yeah, so that's what I'm more traveling. So I said I might as well get a camera, and plus I the camera, record it, and I've been doing it ever since.
That is it.
Yeah, man, it's the Haitian traveler, the Haitian explorer is what I go by, the Haitian explorer.
The Haitian explorer.
Yes, sir. I go around, I explore the food, the people, and as you know, there's a lot of bad things going on out of Haiti right now.
Yeah,
And
crazy.
right, so part of what I want to do is to kind of like bring more positivity towards the Haitian people in Haiti and what's going on. And I do that wherever I go. As you can see, I rock the flag wherever I go. Because I like to get the reaction from people, especially here in Jamaica, from Jamaicans, to see what they think about, Haiti and the Haitian people.
Wow. So right now, when we think about here, the things that we see on the internet going on, is it just going on every single place in Haiti? Like from the guns to the violence to the everything, is it going on everywhere in Haiti right now?
No. So it's just the capital. So it's just the capital. Where,
Like how we have Kingston.
just like you have Kingston, you
Yeah.
have all the craziness going on in Kingston. Kind of like that. So if you go to Mo Bay or Ochi and everywhere else is fine.
Normal and-
everything is functioning normal.
And Haiti is like a way bigger country than
It's a
Jamaica.
way bigger country than Jamaica,
country,
and
right?
we have a lot more people than Jamaica. I think we're about 12 million people, and I think you guys are around 3 million.
Yeah,
4 million
yeah,
Jamaicans.
3 to 4
Right,
million.
right. So almost 3 times
The size.
the size here in Jamaica. You know what I mean?
Now I actually understand what is going on. So where you're from in Haiti, is it where like the Kingston
That's where all the
the thing is happening?
it's happening. It's where it's actually right in the middle of
Where you're from.
where it's happening.
So what are your chances of you going back?
I will go back. I'm planning
Wait, so
to
when
go
it cool down?
back. No, I might be back here in a couple months. I might be back there in a couple months. Not in the capital. I'll probably.
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
I'll probably avoid the capital for now.
Yeah.
But I'll go on the north side, which we call Cap Haitian.
Yeah.
And it's where all the nice. It's kind of like the Montego Bay, the Ochis of the places, where all
yeah.
the nice beaches are and all the historical places are. It's where you would go as a if you wanted to go to the beach and stuff like that.
That is it.
Yeah.
All right, man. Yeah. So how many
Absolutely.
subscribers you actually you want to reach right now? What's the goal that you want to get to right now?
Man, I
You're
would
working towards?
love to get 5K. I'm just above 3K now.
Yeah.
I think 3,200. But 5K would be a great number for me.
All right, so massive. In this video, let's see if we can get Herby to 5,000 subscribers. Now, also by the time this video drop, we actually get to 5,000 subscribers, and we can accomplish him goal of reaching to
Absolutely.
5K, so we can start a different goal
Absolutely.
and get it right. Not true.
Man, that would be awesome. That would be awesome, guys. Do check it out. Like I said, I am the Haitian Explorer. If you're into the Caribbean life, that's what I do. I actually want to visit the whole Caribbean, like all countries in the Caribbean, and also do all 54 countries in Africa. That's part of my goal.
I've never been to Africa, and I'm hoping that I may get there.
Yeah.
And I want to go to Colombia too.
Colombia.
You know what I mean? I want to visit Haiti, but not now.
Not now. It's a little crazy now. You know, but I'm sure it won't stay that way. We'll figure it out. You know, the Haitian people are very strong people. Like we've done it before, and we'll do it again. You know.
That is it.
Absolutely.
All right, massive. So right now, I've been sitting here a while ago. Munch forward with the corn and the coconut. So this is what it looks like in the bag. You see me I say? Juicy corn and coconut and thing. So we actually mix the corn with the coconut. So a mad thing, man. No joke, no doubt. Just make sure me carry one. Them here, Lexi and thing. So I'm just going to rest them right there, and then we're going to put them in the vehicle, and then we're going to get to the crab. But I'm going to say we're just there with Herby. So far in Jamaica, you ever been to Montego Bay?
I did. I just came from Montego.
Just came from Montego Bay?
No, from yesterday.
Oh.
I took the bus. From Mobile to here.
How was the drive?
It was pretty good. It was quicker than I thought, but it was good.
The road get prettier now, that side there.
Yeah.
That is it. So if you should choose between Kingston and Montego Bay, which one would you choose?
It depends. I'll tell you why. It depends. If I'm doing more of a laid back, if I'm going on vacation, but there's a difference between vacation and traveling. If I'm going on vacation, I just want to come here and relax, you know, sleep, eat, then I'll probably go to Mobile, right? Because I think it's more like laid back type of, you know, the beaches everywhere and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But if I'm traveling in Kingston. So vacation is Mobile.
Yeah.
Traveling is Kingston.
But I want to see the vibe and the people.
You see the vibe and the people and the food.
Off the resort.
Absolutely.
Figure that. Well said. So we're gonna go and get some crab right now and thing. And as we go through this vlog and thing, I'm gonna show him a few things. I'm not sure where we're gonna go next, but as we're moving forward, we're gonna see some other stuff we want to do. And we're just bringing along on the trip. So make sure so in the comment section and chat. You know what I mean? We know some of the persons that we're going actually in the chat section. You don't know Miss Kadid Sterling that day, we know Marvin there, we know Ibo there, we know David Sutherland there, we know Marvin Sinclair there, we know so there in the premiere section. So remember, if you're in the premiere section and I chat, we're not leaving a comment. So go in the comment section below the video right now and comment if you ever eat crab at Hero Circle, or if you ever sample Bunchy crab at Hero Circle before. More see I like massive them will say, yo, Bunchy crab I eat. Are the real crab that. And I mean, big up to all of the vendors them out here see but you don't know, we have a favorite still, but you know what thing go. Don't beat me, you see it, and I'm munching. And to be honest with you, the first time I actually have video out here, her personality alone grabbed me. She's not afraid of the camera.
Okay.
You understand? So she's willing for persons to video her stuff and she stand by her product. You know what I mean? So she always implore on persons that come and check out my crab.
Absolutely.
You notice as you reach a while ago, she give you a foot and say, hey, try this,
try
taste
this,
it, see what I got.
Yeah.
So that's gonna give you everything now to say, this is the person I want to buy from.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
It's a
And then
vibe.
guess what now? When you taste it, and your taste bud say, yeah, bing, 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 bing,
give me more, give me more.
Yeah. So you can't move. You remember saying nobody else say, yeah, say no. And so you go. So big up to Munchie every time, and let me show you a crab that we're gonna get.
Yeah.
And who knows what else is gonna happen? So comment in that comment section if you never know say Hero Circle up in and running, because trust me, you know, there was a bad stick when they go on with Hero Circle.
There was.
Yeah, you hear about it? Hey,
I heard about it. I think everybody heard about it.
Yeah, so Herby there I get theme corn and out of the pot, piping hot. Yeah.
Hot corns.
Yeah, no joke. But nice local corn and them thing there. You see me? Yeah. So Herby, you try the crab and thing. Oh, you rate the crab?
It is heaven on earth.
Jesus.
Okay? If you have never tried it, you should absolutely try it.
From Munch. Oh, you better know. From Munch. You see that seal it now, man?
Absolutely.
That is it. Hero Circle, one Munchie. So, you get some corn now?
Yeah, so I'm getting me some corns.
Yeah.
It's gonna go well with my crab. Thank you very much.
Madam
I'll
Bud.
chop this down. You see this?
Figure that.
Can't live without it.
See, okay, yeah. You go on. You alright, okay? Me say turn foreigner, you know. You go on. You travel for me? Yeah. I mean, I travel too. What for them corner? Yeah. So yeah, man, no jokes. So Munchie, heart I love, man, and big up. Wish you all like success to you and your family, your daughter, them and so big them up and thing. You see me? So can't get a look of food at all.
I buy my car.
No, we support. We support.
Buy my car.
That is it, man.
600
And I big you up, it will double and triple.
And I give him it for $1,000. So him can't say no man do nothing.
And also,
$600 for my car and I give him
He get discount.
So I get discount at US.
God is good all the time.
So
if you're bad, nah.
him
No
can't
discount.
come back at US because it a run good.
Yeah.
Big of that. Love Hero Circle. I love you, okay?
Yeah.
See there? I mean, my sister them. Good there.
Sure. Bless
Punchy. Big up it up.
Alright,
We're outside.
All right, thank you.
Herby.
Much appreciated. Jamaica
That
walk by
is
my
it.
brother.
Good day, man. It's
This
a
is-
vibe. It's an energy, man.
That's up, everybody.
Yeah. Is it?
My crab. I almost forgot my crab.
Yeah.
How you been?
And then Jamaican.
Yeah, bag juice.
Jamaican bag juice.
That's my Jamaican name?
Yeah.
Bag juice. The
Jamaican bag juice.
Bag juice, man.
Herby. That was him. Herby's a vibe. It's an energy. So I'm going to show Herby after tree. So stay tuned. Keep watching. We are going after tree. You see me? Don't joke. Don't. Randstand. Let's go. Yeah, so we actually just pull into Alpha Tree. As you can see. Yeah. Alpha Tree. So Herby never see what Alpha Tree looks like. So we are trying to show Herby what Alpha Tree festivities looks like on an evening. So this is actually the peak hours as we are driving. I'm just gonna get a parking real quick and think. So where's the Herby?
Yes,
First time here in the Alpha Tree.
First time here.
Man.
I can't wait to see what the vibe is like inside.
It's a different vibe. Them call Alpha Tree like the New York or
like
the
the-
Manhattan of Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, whole heap of thing. It's vibrant. Whole heap of everything, bro. Trust me.
A lot's happening.
That
Okay.
is it. So we're just gonna get a parking real quick and yeah, walk through Alpha Tree and show him the natural vibe of Alpha Tree in an hour time. See, so stay tuned. Let's go. So we are in Alpha Tree and this is the transport center, Herby. Then this is the transport center where all the government bus them and stuff commute.
Okay.
You see me? First, this is something like this. Look at
I
it.
have not. This is the first to me. You said it's the bus
Yeah.
terminal thing.
In New York, it probably way different like a building, but this will just have a big covering, like
A
one big
cover. Yeah.
chapel.
It's open.
Yeah. It's open.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, we're gonna walk through, we're gonna take a look. We're gonna just see the natural vibe, everything. See all the beautiful ladies, them come out. And we say a Alpha Tree, so anything is possible. Let's do this. All right, so massive, this is Herby again. If you're just joining the video, please, I'm asking you to go and check out my brother channel. You understand? Herby. You know, what, you say YouTube full name.
Who is Herby?
Who is Herby?
Who is Herby?
So YouTube is full name is Who is Herby. You're gonna see it in the description at the top. So you can click the link and subscribe to him channel and just follow him as him travel all around the world and teach you a little bit of Haitian. And boy, tell me something in Haitian.
In Haitian?
Yeah. Tell me.
Sakafet.
What that?
Sakafet.
Sakafet.
There you go.
What is that?
Much like what's up.
Oh,
It's like,
Sakafet.
Yeah, like what's going on.
Oh, all right. See that my first class start for free. So I see somebody man say Sakafet.
There you go.
And that is Wagwan.
Yeah, walk on, baby.
Good evening. Yes. So this is the famous Alpha Tree, my Jenna, and we are walking out. Yeah. So you tell them about it. This is like the most profitable Burger King in the whole world. That is it, man. Alpha Tree Burger King, 24-hour Burger King. Yeah, you get burgers flipping right through the night. Because, to be honest with you, Herby, Kingston is all about nightlife too, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, Kingston no lock. Yeah, nightlife, we don't close. None at all. And everybody on my channel is supposed to know Pavilion by now. The famous Pavilion, no joke, no doubt. Super center. So, when me I tell about the commute, look what I go on, look across the road. People like Sandgreen are wait on a bus.
So
See?
this is taking all over Kingston.
Yeah, so you can get a vehicle, make it stand up right there so for a second. You can get a vehicle to go anywhere in Jamaica from Alpha Tree and also downtown Kingston. You see me I say? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. So right there, so most of these people that are going to Constant Spring, Manor Park,
Okay.
Stony Hill,
Yeah.
all of them places they're going up them side there. Yeah, no joke. Yeah. So you think so far?
I haven't been here. I have not been here.
So you've been to Jamaica a few times, but you haven't been to Arbitrary.
not been here, no.
Alright, we're gonna cross up this side. You have to really watch out of your eye, them, you know, cause them driver you drive like them not have no license, you know, but they can drive. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So you with up on the banking and they want to tell us to move out of the way. You understand? Because you look like them alone pay taxes for the road. We're gonna take the right here and go cross. Come in. Because you nobody, you can't wait for them here, so you never cross. So this is it, bro. So this is like a different type of vibe in an Arbitrary because it is when the sun gone down and the work, people them work over and people just walk through and I try head home as quick as possible. See the beautiful Dolly there again, come out. I like her outfit, she just confident. Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
So this is it. See what it looks like. Transport Center.
How far?
It's actually upstairs and downstairs, isn't it?
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So it's upstairs and downstairs. Sometimes them tell.
It's only local, right? Like
What do you mean?
Meaning I can't take a bus here and take me to Ochi.
No. To take a bus from here, it take you to like maybe the nearest part where you can take something from to Ochi. So you can take a bus from here to Spanish Town,
Okay.
and you take something from Spanish Town to Ochi Race. Hey, never remember to keep my camera up like this guy, you're mad tall. So my camera have to always be in the sky like this.
No, I'm 6'6".
Yeah, to balance the height.
Tuck my head off.
Yeah. So inside here you have restaurants where you can get food, you can get all sorts of stuff. Or even on the downstairs, let me show you. We're not really going to stay long in here because I wanted to have that natural vibe on the outside.
Yeah.
And then sometimes they want to tell you that you can't film in here. I don't even know where they get that from. But you're good still. If them come, them come. Yeah, so this is it. It's beautiful though. Very clean.
It is. So you've been to Brooklyn, you've been to New York City, you know how dirty ours are.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And
Great
scary.
stations. Yeah.
But actually, if you tell the truth, I still feel safe over there. I won't just live. I don't know. But don't cost me but how I feel. Yeah. So you have a bunch of things going on. This is a shoe shop right here. Fix your shoes and all of that. And you can't even wait for it too. If it's not full up, but I guess, you know, we said that, if it's not full up, look at shoes. That look like it's full up right through the club. Yeah. So,
Everybody's going home.
and you have to, and when they're ready, the bus them get mad full. So these are the time of bus that you have to stand up to go to your yard. Yeah. See? Halfway tree, bro. Not even the full tree. So this give you a vibe like Brooklyn.
Like Brooklyn, New York City type vibe.
So he's saying that they give him like a Brooklyn, New York City type of vibe, eh?
Like the hustle and the bustle.
Ah, yeah. Man. Alright, so
The hustle don't stop.
what we're gonna do,
Everybody's about to-
we're gonna go this way because I'm gonna go to the other side. So Massive, just walk with me as we show a little bit of Arbitrary with my brother Herby. So his channel is Who is Herby if you're just joining, you don't know. with their half a tree. Some of those plazas just making a bro. Like fresh, them new. See how them nice?
Yeah.
Very modern and thing, you see it? And then you have a next, like a food village over there, so modern style too. You call it the container plaza, but them container plaza are nice. And there's a big, massive building that probably be like, it's gonna be like the highest and the biggest building so far in half a tree. As I said, the size of it. I don't think there's none with so many levels in half a tree. No joke. See? Yeah, my teacher, man. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. I'm mad thing, man. We don't like YouTube? You a dancer?
YouTube watching, man.
What your channel name?
Dido Frost on YouTube. Search it.
Dido Frost?
Dido.
Dido? Find it on your phone, let me give you a search, a shout out. Right now. Oh, no, find him channel, Alex. Where name? Dido? Mad thing. So, what they are with Dido? We are doing a walking video. You see me? So, a general pull up and say him do YouTube, you know what I mean? His name Dido.
Dido Frost on YouTube, so.
Dido Frost.
Yeah, run go check.
You can see it, you can see it, you can see it. Then give it a subscribe, man. So, see him there? Dido Frost. What kind of videos you do? Oh, asking, his size, see it there? Them type of chap there.
So
Madam
public prank and
public prank. I don't really do them one day still.
Watch your video them.
Jamaica walk by.
Watch your video them.
Big up and respect, man. Yeah, that is it.
Pop up on the YouTube and can watch them.
Respect.
Yeah.
Me I gonna make sure me subscribe to your thing to Dido. Dido, see that?
Link up one time.
That is it, bro. Link me pan grab now. Link me pan Jamaica walk by Instagram.
Yeah.
And we can chat this and we can exchange number and we can do something.
So we are.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber from overseas. He goes by the name is Herby. Yeah, man. This is Dido. I'm a YouTuber to Jamaica. Yeah. No joke. Yeah, so him just pull up and let me know say he's a YouTuber as well.
YouTuber as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we just connected.
You got a cut. Oh,
yeah, we go, bro. Man. Yeah, man. See it there?
Yeah, man.
Madam Bad, my G. Yeah. So you can subscribe to him channel too. Yeah. I say your name on all platform. Alright. So me I go find him. Alex, you will always give me it too. You will always give me name in case we forget.
Alright.
And make sure so we connect. You see me?
Dido Frost.
Dido Frost. Yeah, massive. So we're just connecting inside the Harper Tree. Big up to all our YouTubers and we're bold like the G. We know so we are do the thing and we want success in the thing. And you see how the next YouTuber work and can pull up and just connect, you see it? Because God knows if you're the film thing or somebody that connect to you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I cut me and cut and I just say, I'm going to use the bathroom, but this one of my way, there's some of them going to see it.
Yeah, Madam Bad, my teacher, you mean? See the YouTube there?
Yeah.
Madam Bad. So, one of the things I teach people about too, nothing is wrong with helping, just a click of a button and a easy recording. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with that.
It's free, right?
Free,
It's free.
easy. You know what I mean?
So we connect here.
Connect my boss, see?
Watch your vlog them, when you vlog them for you say walk easy.
Yeah.
Natural video, you just walk. I regular me see you go all about.
All about me, bro.
So watch your video, you come like Tuesday birthday. but
Yeah.
you see your own kind of different.
Different. Yeah, big up your man them again, bro.
We link you.
Respect me, bro. You see? We just go through and I go and hold a vibe. The energy is beautiful. And we just make a good look stroll through the town. Oh, live bar that a rolly G too.
Lindsay them, you see.
Live boss I'm a bro, you know.
Yeah, just go and shoot that video with.
Never go show him and see how far in there. Live boss I'm a G man. Yo, live boss. Big up and respect my bro. Boop. Rep, you know what I mean? Life sweet. No Betty milk. No sugar cane. How you mean? So this is half a tree, bro.
Halfway tree.
Yeah, that town is not locked. That town is like this right shoe.
Is that the actual name? Or
Yeah,
is-
half
or
a
is the
tree,
actual
yeah.
name? Okay.
Half a tree. Bro, tell him say I saw the place name, halfway tree.
Halfway tree.
Yeah, man. No cap.
Yes, half-
Yeah, man, no cap. Alright, so we'll take it up that side here. And we'll bring it to the heart of the tree, like the root.
To the roots.
Yeah. Yeah, so massive if you're watching, please may I ask if you start like the video. Yeah, look right now and you don't see 2,000 or 3,000 likes on the video. What you waiting on? Let's play our part. Start like the video. Start comment right now on the video. We are look for 500 comment. You see me I say? 500. Outside me teacher, that is it. Man. Yeah bro, so we there half a tree. How we are do it? Yeah, bro. So more while average just is always like this. You know what I mean? We unruly taxi man, then we stop in a middle road. Them do that at 80 too. Then they stop anyway.
They do. It's very similar.
Very similar.
It's very similar. You know what? On my first video
Yeah.
that I put out, Jamaica, I said that Jamaica
Hold
reminded.
on it. I don't look like that, sir. Good night, good night. That is it, man. I mean.
I said in my video, I said that
Yeah.
Jamaica, certain parts of Jamaica reminded me of Haiti. I can't tell you how many Jamaicans, not living here, Jamaicans abroad,
Yeah.
got mad at me for saying that.
For real?
For real.
So they must say like Jamaica better than Haiti or something?
I think they got offended because of what's going on in Haiti. So
Yeah, but-
me saying certain parts remind me of like this it reminds me of Haiti. You see what I'm saying? Because we do
Close
the
on the same roadside
the
and
same
everything.
way.
Yeah, but remember me go America and me I say, me reach places America and I say, yo, this come like just like Jamaica.
I know.
Because when I went to Canal Street,
Street.
oh my,
Same
it's like I
thing,
was downtown.
same- That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, bro.
Same thing. They
Yeah.
got mad at me for saying that. You should see them in the comments.
You want to see my videos then? I went to Canal Street, I'm like, whoa, but a downtown Kingston
Same
this.
vibe.
Yeah. Yeah, see, pigeon in the street, like how we have dogs here,
Yeah.
clothes are sell,
Yeah.
them are run from police, all of them stuff there, bro. So, me say that all the time, and me compare Jamaica to New York many times, because I say right now here, so coming like, you're walking in Manhattan. Because you see the big building and then whole heap of crowd, people everywhere and stuff like that. And even though you have places in Manhattan where well crowded than Jamaica, yes, but at some time Jamaica get extreme crowded as well, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, they went in. They
See that?
went in.
I like big road, they jump out of the bus and just skate. Yeah, bro. But it's Jamaica, dog. So we are reach up to one of the routes, you know? Man.
The middle of the Times Square right here.
You heard what they just said?
Yeah.
It's like we're in the middle, like the Times Square.
Absolutely.
That is exactly, bro. Exactly. You see where people just moving. That is it, bro. It's just like that. You see the lights, the TV screens, everything going on, bro. See? And that big clock. The clock was up there, they tell her the time. Yeah.
Same vibe.
I'm telling you, my G. So we are comparing Jamaica now to America.
To America. And
I'm wondering if
Americans
I wonder if
might find
our America, I don't say our America is gonna find it offensive.
not the smart ones,
But yeah, it's nice.
you know.
Nice. Loads of handsome young man, loads of beautiful ladies. Everybody all just moving and I go on to them thing, you see me? Alright, let's go across with the light. Let's see if we can catch this. Come in. So this is half a tree at night. It's confident them to call it, you know.
And here's another thing. I was in Kenya, and this reminds me of Kenya, the buses.
Bro, I wanna.
What they call the matatu, right?
Oh, let me see.
It's
So,
how they blasting the music.
yeah, what they call it? The matatu.
Matatu in Kenya.
Say that again, the matatu. Oh, so they call our coaster bus
Right.
the matatu.
Right. But it's much more colorful. They got all the paint, the art all over the
buses.
Yeah. And they blasting the music.
We are not. It's illegal to like really paint the bus certain ways out here.
Because most of them are white. Like
Yeah,
white buses.
right. So we try to keep them as clean as possible
Okay.
and stuff like that. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Let's go. Oh yeah, bro. We're in half a tree. Half a tree get way more organized now, though. To tell you the truth. Cause now we have barricades. People used to just cross anywhere. And that's it. And this town actually have a few KFC. Yeah, one KFC couldn't do. Trust me. Only one KFC couldn't work.
It won't work.
No. So you have one KFC and you have another one up the road.
I wonder how many there are in Jamaica in total.
I've never really looked
Up
at
there,
it.
right?
Yeah, we have enough KFC, bro. And yet still have places in Jamaica where like 2 months ago, them just get KFC. And we have so much, bro?
Yeah.
Damn. So yeah. Just a walk through half a tree, a whole a different kind of energy. And we're there with who is Herby, you know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. My Asian YouTube cousin. That is it. And some of these places, you know, honestly, I don't know some of these places like you see how these places start looks like America.
America, yeah.
Don't it? Because that's how they have the corner shops in America looks. They're just long and you have the stuff inside here and stuff.
Same way.
Yeah. Usually in Jamaica we normally have them more open. Now it's more Americanized now. It looks just the same like
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
well, I can't even explain, bro. It should be a good thing because America is a first world country. So I'm guessing it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Yeah. I'm guessing it's a good thing. Fire! Big up yourself, Godfather. What you mean? This is what I'm talking about. Usually, we go for this kind of look. Yeah. And this, you ever eat patty, the Jamaican patty, though?
Yes.
This is tasty. This is a very good patty to one of my favorite company. But big up tasty, same way, but I don't know, big up juicy beef, because I grew up on the juicy beef because my father used to work at one of the juicy beef in Old Harbour. So, you hungry?
Well, I'm always happy to bring food home.
You're a big guy, man.
Yeah,
Yes, I always have. Yo,
listen,
let's go.
I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb and wake up at 2 in the morning and I need something to eat.
Alright, let me get some patty. Another line? Oh, another line. Alright. We'll get one other line.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good. So
You're
you
good.
can get what you want. Okay. So yeah. Beautiful Afro tree, you know what I mean? This is life. Beautiful life. Hustle and bustle. People heading home from a long day at work. And we're just here. Chilling, rolling a nice little vibe with Herby. Himself hungry, he's a big guy, so let's go. He's actually getting some patty. So big up to everybody in the chat section. Me super appreciate every single one of you. You know what I mean? Keep on commenting right now. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt. Let me give a shout out to my members real quick. Yeah, as me there up on the street. Let me give my members a big shout out. Yeah, man. Hold on. Alex. So, big up to my members, no joke. I've been getting some new members lately. Please, I'm asking if you're watching this video to actually subscribe for membership. It's only $1. Only $1 per month. You understand? Only $1, please. Subscribe for membership on Jamaica Walk By to get exclusive content. And you don't know, special big up on all of them good things there, you see me? So right about now, let me go in on my members list. I want to give my members a special big up. You see me, I say, oh you mean? And it goes like this. Just let me take a little time out to big up my members. See with me, bear with me. I have to big up my members. So, some of the newest members them to Jamaica Walk By, you don't know me, I talk about Lions Den. Lions Den, big up yourself, no joke, no doubt. You see me I say? Yeah bro, hold on there. Give me a minute, give me a minute, give me a minute. So yeah, big up to Lions Den. You don't know Orlando King. You don't know Feed Price or Feed Pieces NYC. Big up me G, no joke, no doubt. We don't know we have Pastor Christopher Jones. Bill, you don't know Grateful. ASMR. J and D MD. Big up, we speak the other day in the chat section. Blessings and respect. You don't know Minor GSO. We are talking about Kim. You understand? We are talking about Kim. We are talking about Money. You know what I mean? Stephen Shelton. English. Candid. Shana Moore. Oh my God, Ruffin. You see me I say Roshan Sterling, Eva T, Freedom Earners, Dwayne Henry, Crossfam, Adrian, Dave, Moman, Damian Sutherland, Rude Boy, Ibo, S. Reed, Mitzi, you don't know, I love it. You don't know, big up every time. Rushing Gray, you don't know, Neville Reed, Mirror Effect, big up my general, no joke, no doubt. I'm talking about Carla Gray. One of my number one to you don't know, Miss Cadine Sterling, super appreciate you. You always dip on every video. Narito, Il, Mikey, Tunard, big up every time. Some guy from Toronto, Jaden Jackson, Gary Mowat, and you don't know, one of the person who were the first member to Jamaica Walk By. Jason and Gina, my brother and sister, big up every time. Maximum respect, maximum love. As we here in Alpha Tree, blessings and respect to every one of you, my members. I will actually put this part on the screen as you can see my members list and things. So I'm asking you to subscribe for membership and support Jamaica Walk By differently. It's only $1 per month. So we super appreciate you in every way, in every aspect. And we then taste this. You understand, you order your patty over there and think the party menu large. You see me? Yeah. I don't know. We're here with Herby. Yeah, come here, Herby. So, is what party you order? Beef?
Beef patty and cocoa bread.
Beef patty and cocoa bread.
And cheese patty and cocoa bread.
Oh, you ever had taste this patty before?
Not from here.
Not from here, but you had it before?
Yes.
Okay, good. How was it?
It was good.
Was good, yeah.
I'm thinking this might be better.
Yeah, taste is actually one of we come true. Actually, we number one of the number one party company, you know. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. You know me? Yeah, man, that's how me stay, man. Me walk around the whole of Jamaica like I'm yard.
Jamaica Walk By is famous.
Good night, blessings and respect. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, I them up here, so I make you all like sweet party, then you understand? Yeah, they said that girl look like one little dolly, man. Cheese and peas.
Hello, miss.
Here I know. Hello, miss. Oh my God. Alex, what you say? It's a good vibe, it's a good energy. That is it, man. You know what I mean? Boy, smiles. Peas and peas. What you have? Cocoa bread? Man. Yeah, man, capture your experience, man. You have to. Remember, you're foreigner, you know, capture your experience, man.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. So they start eating the bread before the party is killed. And everything again. Oh, you get everything?
Yeah, I got everything.
Yeah, other drink? Oh, yeah, we're going to feel. Oh, see? Yeah, massive. So we're there in a taste this, man. It's a vibe, it's an energy. No joke. Yeah, so we're still here in Alpha Tree. You know what I mean? We just jump out of the tastes and we just show him cross a little bit at the central in a half a tree, you know what I mean? One who is Herby. And we are all a vibe, all a energy. Oh my word. Come over here, so my teacher. To make a raise. Go on, my boss. Yeah man, big up. You understand? So, yes. Anybody when I want them on camera, you don't know, so them have to just move on ahead. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So, yeah bro. So we're there with who is Herby, and we're there in a half a tree, as you can see. Same way, look around you. It's a vibe, it's an energy. So,
it's a vibe.
What do you think about half a tree so far?
Man, it is a New York vibe. It is the hustle and the bustle. All right, it's happening here. And I can see why it's a very popular spot. Like you can't, if anybody you're trying to connect with, you tell them that you're here, they already know where you are.
Yeah man. When you tell somebody they're half a tree, then that's why you have to say,
Absolutely.
Tell me one spot in a half a tree, let's go there. And then
Absolutely. It's really happening. It's a big vibe, good vibe, my brother.
Feel like you wanna visit here much more though.
Absolutely. Listen, I've been here twice now, right?
Yeah.
So let me see, what are we in? March?
Yeah, we're in March.
I'll be back very soon. Let's put it this way.
That is it.
You know
but half a tree, I'd rate half a tree in general to Jamaica. You feel safe?
Absolutely. We've been here walking, but no question.
Right. Nobody
bothers you. I'm perfectly fine.
That is it.
Perfectly fine.
I was just gonna say that because most places in Jamaica like this, when it's crowded or it's busy, they feel completely good, like they're foreign. And then there'll be some places in Jamaica, just start walking, be like, nah. Like when we were coming from Hero Circle, and we were driving through that alley, there was nothing.
There was nothing there.
Yeah, you probably be like, I need to get out of here fast.
Scary.
So,
but no, around here it's perfectly fine. People, matter of fact, don't nobody even say nothing to you because they got their own thing to worry about. They're just going about their business.
So.
Yeah.
So anything I want the viewers know about you and things before we close the video?
Man. Like I said, man, I am, I go by Who is Herby on YouTube. I'm the Haitian Explorer, all right? So if you're into some travel content or any of that stuff, you want to support a fellow guy right here, man, please do that. Let me see what else.
Yeah, we want to get him to 5,000 subscribers. Yo, man, make me look sharp. You see me? But yeah, so he want to get to...
You see, I have to kind of bend out a little bit so you don't cut my head off.
Yeah, so I said we're going to try and get him to 5,000 subscribers. So please, all of my subscribers, please go over to Who is Herby. The link will be in the description below. You can subscribe to his channel. Bring him to 5,000 subscribers. Go and watch him video. Drop a few likes, drop a few comments, and don't be a stranger over there. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
I know from the link up with Jamaica Walk, but I know say art of love and a oneness we are there with, no joke, no doubt. Big up to all my members out there. I keep on saying it. If you want to be a member, please go. And look below, you can just press join and join a member. It's only $1 a month. You don't have to tell nobody it's that cheap. I don't know. Blessings and respect. With that, I want to big up your family. I want to big up anybody differently.
Well, yeah, man. Big up to everybody. Anybody who's ever watched my videos, like, comment, anything that you've done to support me, man. I truly appreciate it. And again, Jamaica Walk By, my brother, I can't thank you enough for taking me out here. You didn't have to, but you did. They could be watching any other videos, but they're watching this one. So I thank you guys for everything that, all the support.
Man. So you don't know, we actually there, my little brother, Branston. The teacher want me, I want to say something. Hey, say something.
You jump out.
Yeah.
Want some work and money and energy. Boom.
Yeah. That's
Big up on yourself.
Big up and respect. Where you from?
Great Park.
Do any park?
Party City.
That means you know a Coville and them place, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, you have a bad voice. You sound like you're an artist.
No, a selector.
Or selector.
You know, so we have a music box.
Mad. We sound normally select part.
DJ Bankai Gallis.
DJ Bankai Gallis. Mad and bad, bro. Bada. Mad thing.
Snake, man.
Easy, no, man.
Everybody all around Jamaica City.
There's a big up Patrick
City.
City.
Yeah, must them the city rock.
That is it.
City rock. Energy.
Take it easy and big up yourself, see? Man. Jamaica Walk By. YouTube.
Interview.
Yeah. Alright, take it easy, my boss. Cool. Yeah, man, you have to give him a shine. The man want to talk, so we make him talk. Alright, Branston? So right now we're there with the fashion superstar, Branston Fashion. Make sure you support him. Instagram, and now means an online business for the latest beats and all of them local things there.
The new stock are dropping up.
The new stock.
New stock are drop, guys. The latest beats, cleanest beats. maddest jeans them, maddest shirt, maddest everything. Just check out over there, Branston Fashion.
No joke. The Branston Fashion link I got there in the description too as well for him Instagram because I write the same take orders and him you deliver worldwide. That is it, worldwide. And that's how we have to preach it. But for now, no trouble, I joke with me. A Jamaica. So we deliver via Knoxford and thing or cash on delivery. If right, Maypen, Portmore, Old Harbour. You see me I say? Him Instagram I go below support him. Go over there and follow him Instagram. Branston Fashion. That is it, no joke. So Herby, who is Herby?
Who is Herby?
Ah,
The
for
Haitian
tree.
explorer.
That is it, is a vibe. Massive, the place cool and nice. If you follow the vibe, you can just the writers and just relax and just look and just enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
And that is it. No joke, I kid you not, bro. Yeah, man, great energy, great vibe. Yeah. It's the first time like you actually hang out in a one town like this one.
First time here in Kingston.
Yeah,
First
man.
time here in Kingston. I think maybe I drove by once
Hey, that
on an
lady.
Uber,
Hey.
but that was it.
Shorty! Shorty! For your shorty in Jamaica, you need shorty. For your tall, you're a tall man.
Oh, okay.
If you have deep tone melanin,
Yeah.
you name blacks.
Blacks.
Yeah, if you're on the heavier side of life, you're big.
You're big. All right,
Yeah.
you're bigs. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's
If you're light skin,
you're light.
you're brown man. If you're a girl, browning.
Brown in.
Yeah. You know what I mean? If you're a girl, and yeah, if you're well light skin,
Yeah.
you name pinky.
Pink.
No, pinky. And then the
Pinky.
color pink.
Yeah, like pinky.
Yeah, pinky.
Yeah, pinky. Yeah.
Yeah. And if you're thin, and them thing they call you wassy.
Wassy.
Yeah,
Okay.
wassy.
Like very skinny.
Yeah.
Like, okay. Well, hold on. That goes to men and women or just?
No, woman,
Just
woman,
woman. Okay.
woman, yeah. If you're mad and skinny as a man, you
Yeah.
name bones.
Got it. Bone.
Yeah,
That makes
bone.
sense. Bone. That makes sense.
Whole like flesh guard.
Like Snoop Dogg bone.
Yeah. Yeah, massive. So big up all my Jamaica walk by massive. Art I love, super appreciate every single one of you. Stay tuned and watch the video. Like, remember if you watched the one you don't subscribe, please I'm asking you to subscribe to the video, to the channel, like the video. I'm asking you right now for 300 comments. I'm here asking for 2,000 likes on the video. See? So if you know say you're watching and you not like the video, please go and do it right now. If you like it already, sign into your other account and like it again. If you do all of that and you need more likes, send it to a friend, your cousin, your brother, your sister, husband, wife, any one of them, and ask them to like that Jamaica Walk By video you seen, and go subscribe to Who Is Herby channel. See? We are trying to get him to 5,000 subscribers. Him link the right below the video, so you can just click it. Press the subscribe button as you go to him channel, and then just press the back button and you forward right back. See? Easy. So, blessings and respect, art and love. We're signing out. Halfway tree. See? No joke, no doubt. See? Blessings and love. I'm outside. Oh, we can't tell what I said. How are this? Nose. How are this under my nose?
Come on.
I'm out.